How you going, mate? Hope you're having a good day. Welcome to my caramel hedgehog slice. Oh, this one's a cracker. Alright, so what we're going to need is we need Arnott's milk arrowroot biscuits. Now, if you're somewhere else where you can't get these, just get yourself a sweet biscuit, and it is 250 grams. Alright. Now we need hazelnut chocolate. So over here I get Cadbury hazelnut chocolate. It's just plain normal brown chocolate with hazelnuts through it. So wherever you are, just get yourself some hazelnut chocolate. It doesn't matter what brand. I think it was 220 grams. And these are so tiny now, they come in 170 gram packets. So I had to get 2 packets, which suck, but you get that. Alright, we need a 395 gram can of condensed milk. We're going to need some golden syrup. We're going to need butter, 125 grams of butter. And we're going to need caster sugar. Righty-o, let's get going. Alright, first thing we're going to do is get yourself a pan, I think it's 18 by 28 centimetre pan. Put some butter in first and your paper in, and it's brilliant. It holds in perfect for you when you're doing slices. Alright, so get that ready first. Now the next thing we want to do is the biscuits. Now, if you've got a food processor, use a food processor. If you haven't, you can use a rolling pin and a freezer bag. Just always remember to keep your freezer bag open and it won't pop. I love using a freezer bag and a hammer because I just love it. So we don't want to crush them into breadcrumbs. Like, you still want to have chunks through them, but you want them crushed. Alright, crushed with chunks. I'll show you in a sec. Alright, so you can see that half are like breadcrumbs and the rest are big chunky bits. That's how you want it. You just want to roughly crush it, alright? Because I like having the texture of the chunky biscuit bits through it as well. You won't wreck it if you crush it too small, but I reckon it's best to have the both. So crush it down, but as long as you still see chunky bits, stop. But I think that is absolutely perfect. Alright, the next thing we're going to do, let's put that aside for a minute, and saucepan. Okay, medium saucepan, 125 grams of butter in there. We want 2 tablespoons of the good old yummy golden syrup, and 2/3 of a cup of a caster sugar. Now we want to put the heat on between low and medium, and we want to melt it all down until it's all mixed in together. Once it's all mixed in together, we want to add our condensed milk, the whole can of condensed milk, blend it in a bit, and you want to turn it up in between medium and high. Constantly stir it, and as soon as it starts to boil, take it straight off. Once you've brought it up to the boil, take it straight off into your biscuit crumbs. Mix it really well. Once we've got it as even as we can, just set it aside for a minute because it's too hot to put in the fridge yet. So we'll leave it sitting there for about 20 minutes. I'll see how firm it is in 20 minutes, and I'll get back to you whether we put the chocolate on or we wait a bit longer. So for now, just leave it sitting there for 20 minutes. It's been sitting on the bench for 20 minutes, and it's definitely firm enough to take chocolate pudding on top now. It's still warm, but it's definitely firm enough. So next thing we do is just leave that aside, keep it on the bench. And we want to break down our hazelnut chocolate into a small saucepan. We want to add, 2 teaspoons of olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, you can use vegetable canola oil. Alright, so just put 2 teaspoons and cover it as much as you can over the chocolate so it's not directly on the bottom. And now we want to put our stovetop on the lowest possible heat and stir it constantly until we've melted it all down. Once our chocky's melted, on she goes. Spread it all over as evenly as you can get it. Alright, once that's done, give it a good few drops on the bench. That way it soaks into everything and goes nice and flat. Now we want to whack it in the fridge for a good 2 hours to set. Oh, check it out, eh? Oh my god, mate. I couldn't stop eating it. It's not good. I'm going to have to give some away. This is so yummy. Oi, really easy. Gotta love the no bake. Have yourselves an awesome day. I'll be back soon. Bye.